What's up guys, it's me another Jimmy again. So I bought a marble looking iPhone 7 case. This can give you a good idea. We are going to think to buy a marble case for your new iPhone 11 or 12. So let's get started. Okay, it seems quite beautiful to be honest with you. Let me take out my iPhone. Okay, and then let me just put here. Okay, look quite nice. I mean I like it that there is a race here which basically protect your iPhone. Okay, this is a quite beautiful case. I mean the marble look is very sexy, very appealing. I'm really liking it. Yeah, overall I'm liking it, to be honest with you, that is for sure. I mean, to my eyes it seems quite nice. Yeah, I will be throwing the link in the description box below. It was me, none other than
Allah faham beli